support again. I ignored my boss's warning. I called on a Monday morning. Now it's evening and my dinner first grew cold and then grew mold. I'm still on hold. I'm listening to the sounds of silence. I don't think you understand. I think your phone lines are unmanned. I punched every touch tone I was told, but I've still spent 18 hours on hold. It's not enough, your software costs too much, and it's the ugliest thing alive. It erased my drive. My machine now makes the sounds of silence. In my dreams I fantasize of wreaking vengeance on you guys. Say your motorcycle crashes, blood comes gushing from your gashes. With your fading strength you call 911 and you pray for a trained MD. But you get me.